Hello, everyone. Welcome to English. Your English adventure starts right here. I am your host, Emily, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And hello from me. I am Paul. Welcome to our channel. If you are learning English and want to speak confidently, you are in the perfect place. We believe learning English should be easy, clear, and most importantly, fun.
That is right, Paul. Learning a new language is a big adventure. Sometimes it can feel a little bit scary, but do not worry. We are here to help you every step of the way. Today, we have a very special and very useful lesson for you.
Today's topic is something you will use every single day. We are talking about meeting new friends. Specifically, we will learn how to say hello and how to introduce yourself clearly to someone you have never met before.
Imagine you're at a coffee shop, or maybe you're starting a new job or attending a new class. You see someone friendly, you want to speak to them, but what do you say? How do you start?
Exactly, Emily. The first few words are very important. They help you make a great first impression. In this 15-minute lesson, we will break down the core vocabulary, look at some simple grammar, practice our pronunciation together, and even listen to a short story.
And don't forget our fun mini quiz at the end. We want to make sure you remember everything you learned today. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's get started.
Let us begin with the absolute basics, core vocabulary. How do we say hello in English? There are a few different ways depending on who you were talking to. We have formal greetings and informal greetings.
Formal means polite and professional. You use formal greetings with a boss, a teacher, or someone older than you. Informal means relaxed and friendly. You use informal greetings with friends, family, or people your own age. Let us start with the most common formal greetings.
The first word is simply hello. Listen carefully. Hello. This is a very safe and polite word. You can use it with anyone at any time of the day. Emily, how would you say it?
Hello.
Perfect. Now let's look at greetings based on the time of the day. If it's early in the day, before 12 o'clock noon, we say good morning. Listen again. Good morning.
Let me try. Good morning.
Excellent. If it's after 12 o'clock noon, but before the sun goes down, usually until about 5 o'clock, we say good afternoon. Listen again. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And finally, if it's later in the day, after 5 o'clock, or when the sun is going down, we say good evening. Listen again. Good evening.
Good evening. So, Paul, we have hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. These are all formal and polite, right?
That is correct, Emily. Now, what if we are talking to a friend or someone at a fun party? We can use informal greetings. These are shorter and more relaxed.
Oh, I love informal greetings. The most popular one is hi. It is so short and easy. Hi.
Yes, hi is great. Another common informal greeting is hey. Listen to how it sounds. Hey.
Hey. But wait, Paul, is it okay to say hey to my boss at a new job?
That is a fantastic question, Emily. No, it is usually better to avoid saying hey to your boss, especially when you first meet them. Hey is very casual. It's best to save hey for your friends and family. For your boss, stick to hello or good morning.
That makes perfect sense. Let us review the vocabulary really quickly. For formal situations, we say hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For informal, relaxed situations, we say hi or hey.
Great summary, Emily. Now that we know how to greet someone, we need to know how to tell them our name. This brings us to our grammar section.
Grammar. Some people feel nervous about grammar, but it does not have to be scary. We will keep it very simple.
Yes, we will. When you introduce yourself, you use the verb I am. The simplest way to introduce yourself is to say I am followed by your name. Listen carefully. I am Paul.
I am Emily.
Exactly. Now, in spoken English, native speakers like to make words shorter. We push two words together to make one word. This is called a contraction. So instead of saying I am, we put I and am together and say I'm. Listen again. I'm.
Ah, I hear it. So instead of I am Emily, I can say I'm Emily.
Perfect. I'm Paul. It sounds very natural and friendly. Let us try another way to introduce yourself. You can say, my name is, followed by your name. Listen, my name is Paul.
My name is Emily.
And just like before, we can use a contraction here. We can push name and is together to make names. So instead of my name is, we say my name's. Listen closely. My name's Paul.
My name's Emily. Which one is better to use, Paul? I'm or my name's?
Both are absolutely wonderful. You can choose the one that feels easiest for you to say. I'm Paul is a little bit shorter. My name's Paul is also very clear. Both are correct.
That is great to know. Now that I say I'm Emily, how do I ask the other person for their name?
To ask for someone's name, you ask this question. What is your name? Let us break that down. What is your name?
What is your name?
Yes, and let us use a contraction again to sound like a native speaker. We push what and is together to make what's. So the question becomes, what's your name?
What's your name?
Excellent. So a full conversation looks like this. Hello, I'm Paul. What's your name?
And I reply, hi, Paul. I'm Emily.
You did it. It is that simple. You just introduced yourself in English.
Now that we know the words and the grammar, it is time to practice speaking. Speaking out loud is the secret to building confidence. We're going to practice a very important phrase you use right after you learn someone's name.
That phrase is nice to meet you. It means you are happy to meet this new person. Let us look at each word. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. But Paul, when native speakers say it, it sounds a little different. It sounds faster.
You have a great ear, Emily. When native speakers talk at a normal speed, the sounds of the words blend together. The T at the end of meet and the Y at the beginning of you combine to make a ch sound. So meet you sounds like meet you. Listen carefully. Nice to meet you.
Oh, wow. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That sounds so natural.
Let us practice this together. I want you at home to speak out loud. Do not be shy. We will say the phrase slowly, and then we will speed it up. First, slowly. I will say it, and then you repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Good. Let us try it again, focusing on the blended sound at the end. Nice to meet you.
Great job. Now let us try the whole introduction. I will say the first part, and I want you at home to answer with your name and then say, nice to meet you. Are you ready? Hello, I'm Emily. What's your name?
If you said, I'm your name, nice to meet you, you did an amazing job. Let us practice one more time. This time, I will introduce myself. Hi there, my name's Paul. What's your name?
Brilliant! Practicing out loud helps your mouth learn the shapes of English words. The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
Now, let us see all of these words and grammar rules in action. We are going to listen to a short story. Imagine we are at a beautiful park on a sunny morning.
Listen carefully to the greeting, the introductions, and the pronunciation. We'll play the dialogue at a normal speed first.
Good morning. Beautiful day today, isn't it? I'm Paul. What's your name?
Good morning. Yes, it is very beautiful. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Do you live near this park?
Yes, I just moved to this neighborhood.
Let us break that conversation down. What did you hear?
First, Paul said, "Good morning." He used good morning because it is early in the day. It's a very polite and friendly way to start.
Then I used our contraction grammar. I said, I'm Paul, and I asked the question, what's your name?
I replied with the same polite greeting, "Good morning." Then I used my contraction, "I'm Emily." And finally, I used our pronunciation phrase, "Nice to meet you, Paul."
And notice my reply. I said, nice to meet you too. Adding the word to at the end means also. It means I am also happy to meet you.
It is a very polite and warm conversation.
Let us practice reading the dialogue together. I want you at home to be Paul. I will be Emily. Read Paul's lines out loud. Let's go. Say, good morning. I'm your name. What's your name?
Good morning. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Now say, nice to meet you too, Emily.
Fantastic. You are having a real English conversation.
You have learned so much already. Let us check how much you remember with a fun mini quiz. Do not worry, this is just for fun and to help your brain remember the lesson.
I love quiz time. We will ask you 3 questions. We'll give you a few seconds to think and answer out loud. Here we go. Question number 1. Imagine it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You walk into a store and see the manager. Which formal greeting should you use? A, good morning. B, good afternoon. C, good evening.
The correct answer is B, good afternoon. Because it is 3 o'clock, which is after 12 o'clock noon, good afternoon is the perfect greeting.
Great job! Let us move to the next question. Question number 2. You are at a relaxed party with friends. You see someone your own age and want to say hello. Which informal greeting is best? A, good morning. B, hey. C, farewell.
The correct answer is B, hey. Hey is casual, friendly, and perfect for a relaxed party. Good morning is too formal, and farewell actually means goodbye.
Excellent work! Okay, our final question. This one is about grammar. Question number 3. We learned about putting words together to make contractions. What is the correct contraction for the phrase, what is? A, whatter. B, what am. C, what's.
The correct answer is C, what's. We push what and is together to make what's. For example, what's your name?
How did you do on the quiz? If you got them all right, give yourself a big smile. If you made a mistake, that is completely okay. Making mistakes is exactly how we learn and grow. You can always rewind this video and listen again.
We are almost at the end of our lesson today. Let us do a quick recap of everything we covered. Repetition is the key to mastering English.
Today, we learned formal greetings. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We also learned informal greetings for friends. Hi and hey.
We learned how to introduce ourselves using contractions. I'm Paul, or my name's Paul. And we learned how to ask for someone else's name. What's your name?
Finally, we practiced our native speaker pronunciation with the phrase, nice to meet you, remembering to blend the sounds into nice to meet you.
You have worked incredibly hard today. Learning to introduce yourself is the first step in your English adventure. Now you have the tools to make new friends anywhere in the world.
Your homework is simple. Practice. Stand in front of a mirror today, smile, and say, hello, I'm, your name, nice to meet you. Do it 3 times. You will feel your confidence growing.
Thank you so much for joining us on Welcome to English. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to learn more simple, fun English with us, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that like button, and in the comments below, introduce yourself. Type, "Hello, I'm," and tell us your name and where you are from. We cannot wait to meet you in the comments.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. You are doing fantastic.
Until next time, have a wonderful day and happy learning. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.